In the endless dark of the Milky Way, astronomers have just found a cosmic traveler unlike anything we've ever seen. It's a faint, reddish object hurtling through space at nearly 1,000,000 miles per hour. Its official name is CWISE J1249, but scientists are calling it the Red Rogue. What's so mind-blowing isn't just its speed, but everything about it. It's too small to be a star, too warm to be a planet, too old to be from our neighborhood, and way too fast for something so tiny. And the weirdest part wasn't found by professional astronomers, but by citizen scientists digging through old telescope data. What they stumbled upon is now one of modern astronomy's greatest puzzles. So what is CWISE J1249? How did it get shot across the galaxy? And why could it rewrite our understanding of the Milky Way? Let's find out. The story of the Red Rogue doesn't start in a high-tech observatory, but on the computer screens of regular people. These volunteers were part of a NASA project called Backyard Worlds, where they sift through old infrared telescope images, looking for things the computers missed. That's when they spotted it. A tiny, dim red dot moving, and it was moving fast. Once flagged, professional astronomers jumped in. Using the powerful Keck Observatory in Hawaii, they analyzed the object's light, measuring its temperature, its chemical makeup, and its speed. What they found was shocking. This wasn't a star. It wasn't a planet. It wasn't even a normal brown dwarf. It was something far more exotic. It's located about 400 light-years away. CWISE J1249 was already proving to be a cosmic weirdo from the very first glance. To understand why this object is so confusing, let's break down what it is. Scientists classify it as an SDL1 subdwarf, which is a rare type of very cool, very low-mass object. It's extremely metal-poor, meaning it formed when the universe was young and hadn't created many heavy elements. This tells us CWISE J1249 is ancient, possibly billions of years old, a relic from one of the first generations of stars in our galaxy. It's so small, it's right on the fuzzy line between being a tiny red dwarf star and a massive brown dwarf. It's also incredibly cool, glowing faintly in deep red and infrared light. It's not bright, not massive, not energetic, and yet it moves like a cannonball. Everything about its physical nature says it should be quiet and slow. But CWISE J1249 is anything but. Now for the biggest shock, its speed. When astronomers calculated its true velocity, the number was staggering. It's moving at over 450 kilometers per second, which is fast enough to escape the Milky Way's gravity entirely. It's on a one-way trip out of our galaxy, destined to drift into the void between galaxies. This makes it a hypervelocity object. But here is the problem. Every other hypervelocity star we've found is huge and massive. It takes a powerful kick to launch something that fast. But CWISE J1249 is tiny, practically the smallest kind of star possible. This makes it the first ever hypervelocity low-mass object we've ever confirmed. So how did this little thing get launched with such incredible force? Astronomers are scrambling for answers. One theory involves a type of supernova called a type Ia supernova. This happens in a binary system where two stars orbit each other. One is a white dwarf, the superdense core of a dead star, and the other is a normal star. The white dwarf pulls material from its partner, getting heavier and heavier until it hits a critical limit and explodes. If CWISE J1249 was that companion star, the explosion would have acted like a cosmic slingshot, flinging it across the galaxy at its current insane speed. This scenario would also explain its ancient metal-poor nature, because it would have been born in a very old star system. It's a compelling idea, but we're still working to confirm it. So what does this all mean for us? First, the Red Rogue proves that even the smallest, faintest objects in the galaxy can have incredibly violent and dramatic histories. It shows that our galaxy's halo, the vast, sparse regions surrounding the main disk, is filled with ancient relics that hold clues to the Milky Way's birth. And most importantly, its discovery was made by volunteers people, just like you, proving that anyone with curiosity can contribute to groundbreaking science. The Red Rogue is more than just a fast-moving dot. It's a mystery that connects us to the galaxy's oldest secrets and reminds us there's still so much out there waiting to be found. Astronomers have just found something truly mind-bending, and it's breaking all the rules. It's called CWISE J1249, and it's a tiny, faint object that blurs the line between a star and a brown dwarf. But here's the crazy part. It's moving at an absolutely insane speed, faster than most stars in our galaxy. Think about that for a second. It's incredibly lightweight, yet it's traveling so fast it's actually on a one-way trip out of the Milky Way, destined to escape into intergalactic space forever. This thing is also ancient, almost like a fossil from the early days of our galaxy. So how did something so small and old get launched with such incredible force? Honestly, scientists have no idea. Current models say this shouldn't even be possible. This discovery suggests there could be a hidden population of these faint, super-fast objects out there just waiting to be found. What a mystery. So, how did this ancient star get launched across the galaxy at such a mind-blowing speed? Scientists have four main theories, and each one is more dramatic than the last. Let's break them down. First up, the supernova ejection theory. Picture this. CWISE J1249 wasn't always alone. It might have been part of a binary system, orbiting another star. If its partner became a white dwarf and then exploded in a catastrophic supernova, the blast could have acted like a cosmic slingshot, flinging our star out into space. It's like a shotgun blast firing out its surviving companion. Second, it could have had a run-in with a black hole or a dense star cluster. These cosmic mosh pits are full of chaotic gravitational forces. A close encounter, especially with a black hole, could easily catapult a star to incredible speeds. Imagine a three-body gravitational dance gone wrong, and CWISE J1249 is the one getting kicked out of the party. Third, what if it came from the most chaotic place in our galaxy? The region around the Milky Way's supermassive black hole is a known launching pad for hypervelocity stars. It's possible that CWISE J1249 started its journey near this galactic core billions of years ago and has been flying ever since. And the fourth idea is that it's a cosmic refugee. Our Milky Way has a habit of merging with and tearing apart smaller dwarf galaxies. CWISE J1249 could be a remnant of one of these galactic collisions. Leftover star still carrying the high velocity from that ancient cosmic smash-up? Right now, scientists are leaning towards the supernova or the star cluster interaction as the most likely explanations. But honestly, nothing is set in stone, and that's what makes this whole thing so fascinating. Even with all our advanced telescopes, a ton of questions remain. Is CWISE J1249 even a star? Or could it be a massive brown dwarf, a failed star? Where exactly did it come from, and when did it get its speed boost? And are there more of these speedy relics out there just waiting to be found? Piecing together its life story is incredibly difficult. Its ancient age and long journey have blurred the details of its origin. With every new observation, astronomers get one step closer to unraveling the mystery of this incredible cosmic runaway. What do you think is the most likely explanation? Let me know in the comments below. By studying it, we're basically looking at a fossil from the galaxy's infancy, giving us incredible clues about how everything around us came to be. Now we know it can, which forces us to rethink the physics of stellar ejections. How did it get launched so violently? Was it a supernova? Was it a black hole interaction? We're still figuring that out. And maybe the coolest part of this story? This monumental discovery wasn't made by a supercomputer or a tenured professor locked in an observatory. It started with citizen scientist volunteers from all over the world, just like you and me, poring over astronomical data. It's a powerful reminder that anyone with a curious mind can contribute to groundbreaking science. You don't need a PhD to discover a new cosmic wonder. This discovery also suggests that our galaxy might be filled with a hidden population of these faint, fast-moving objects. We just haven't been able to see them until now. Astronomers are now scrambling to update their models of star formation and evolution because CWISE J1249 challenges everything they thought they knew. So, what's next for this lonely traveler? The Red Rogue is currently drifting through the Milky Way on a journey that will eventually take it into the vast emptiness of intergalactic space. It's an ancient, rare, and mysterious object, and its discovery proves that the universe is still full of hidden wonders waiting to be found. The next great cosmic mystery could be uncovered by anyone, anywhere. CWISE J1249 is just the beginning. What else is out there? Just waiting for us to look up? Thanks for watching. If you're as fascinated by this as I am, hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the cosmos.